Aloha everybody, and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 76 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. It's a windy, chilly day down here at the beach this morning. You never quite know what it's going to be, but this feels like February and March today. But as you know, I like to live in the moment, be here now. And one of the aspects of that actually is related to the spirit of aloha. And one of the things that's so great about aloha is this free-flowing sense of generosity that occurs not only among friends, but also among strangers. And the natural open-heartedness and the ability to extend help and offer help is so pervasive here, and it's one of the reasons that I really love living in Hawaii. I'm one of those people that really enjoys helping and have an equally difficult time asking for help, as I talked about a couple of shows ago. But I'm balancing that out here. And Aloha makes it really very, very easy. Every time I have a trip to the mainland, without fail, when I tell my friends, one by one, they each say, "Oh, do you need a ride to the airport?" Just that automatic ability or reaction to offer help, I find really very not refreshing, but restorative, very, very heartwarming for me. And over on the other side of the world, pretty much exactly the opposite side of the world in Africa, I've learned about a video blog there, and it's called Nata Village blog. And there's Peace Corps volunteer there named Melody and a young woman, Martha, who was born and raised in Nata Village. And together they have started a really wonderful program and blog to help fight the spread of HIV and AIDS. Botswana has one of the highest rates of HIV, and they're also doing very many progressive things in order to stop the spread of AIDS. And being able to visit Nata Village and go to their blog, listen to the beautiful music, meet the individual people and what it is they're doing, how they are helping themselves in their individual lives, is one of these aspects of the internet that I think is just so phenomenal. How we have the ability to connect with each other on a very, very personal level, on a very, very specific level, without regard to geographic distances. And so I'm going to give you a little clip from their show and also a link in the show notes in case you want to visit Nata Village and see what they're doing.
What the song is going to say is we are PA educators of Maboho Arts and Culture Productions. We have been sent by MCDA, that is Material Community Development Association, to give you this message on HIV, AIDS, STDs, just like that. So this is what the song is going to say.
Every penny that they raise in donations goes to helping the people in the village and directly to programs. There is zero overhead. If you're inclined to want to help, that's great. So thanks for joining me today. Life is good. Spread a little aloha. And if you'd like to Skype Lexi and me, you can do so at Roxanne Darling. Or if you'd like to call and leave a comment, the number is 949-544-1456. Lexi and I are going swimming. Give me your cares. I'll take them out to sea.